Hey there, today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox. And yeah, I apologize, I'm kind of stuffy. I woke up this morning with a slight, I don't know, runny nose, and I'm just very congested. So I might sound a little off today. But anyway, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service, and I've been doing Stitch Fix for quite a few years, and for the most part I've been pretty happy with it. You know, I did take a break from Stitch Fix, and the last couple fixes I've done have been pretty successful, I would say. But the way it works is you pay a $20 styling fee that gets applied to whatever you purchase. I currently have what's called a style pass, so I just pay $49 annually, and then I don't get the $20 styling fee. But I have heard that that's going to be phased out. But I think most of you are pretty familiar with how Stitch Fix works, but if you're not, I'll put some information down below in the description box along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. And if you use my referral link or anyone else's, you get $25 off your first fix, and the person that referred you also gets $25. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Yeah, so this is my first video that I'm filming since getting back from New Zealand. I was in New Zealand for a couple weeks, and unfortunately I didn't see the preview because Stitch Fix does send you a preview now where they send, I think it's like 10 items, and you can pick anywhere from 5 to 8 items. So this is a box that's totally picked out by the stylist, and let's hope it's good. Okay, so here is what the box looks like inside. So you get a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. You have a little pamphlet with information, and along with a note from your stylist, and my stylist is Ash. So there's even a picture of her. I think that's new. I don't remember seeing a picture before. Okay. And looks like I have 5 items. Okay, and here is a little peek at my bundle. Looks okay. We'll see. So yeah, I did ask for just kind of like a wardrobe update. So I wasn't very specific. I think I did also ask for some tan pants because I have been looking for tan pants. And you know, according to her note, she also saw something that I had saved in my freestyle earlier this month. So they do have like the freestyle where you can just select and purchase things, you know, off their inventory. I sometimes will just save things that I like. And I guess your stylist can look to that also, and if it's available in your size, they can send it to you in your fix. Okay, but anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so the first item, this is a t-shirt. Okay, so this is by Market and Spruce, and it's the Nova crewneck tee in the color olive, and it's in the size small, or SP, small petite, and it's $39. So $39. It does say it's 100% organic cotton, so I would say that means it's a more high quality t-shirt, but it's still just a t-shirt, and $39 to me kind of is a lot. It is a nice, I would say, thicker material, and it's very soft. So we'll see. I mean, I don't know. I like t-shirts, and I have a lot of t-shirts that I get from, say, Uniqlo, and this to me is very similar. But yeah, we'll see how it looks. Okay, and next, I got a pair of pants. These look really big. Okay, and this is by Democracy, and these are the Athleisure high-rise patch pocket pants in brown, size small petite, and they're $88. Actually, these are really nice pants. They're kind of like a crepe material. I'm pretty sure these are polyester. They have kind of a nice thick waistband, which is elastic, and a tie front. But it is pretty big. I might have to tell them to size down to an extra small, but we'll see how it fits. Sometimes I think things look too big or too small, and I try them on. Oh, it actually fits. And I think, according to my stylist, she thought these would look nice together. So we'll see how that looks. Okay, and next, okay, I got a blouse. And this is by the brand Bobeau, or Bobeau. And it's the elbow sleeve shirred neck button up blouse in blue and size small petite. And this is $32.97. So that's kind of an odd price. It's probably something that has been marked down. This is actually a pretty cute blouse. It kind of looks like a chambray. But sometimes, because I'm petite, like if it's too poofy, the sleeves, it doesn't look right. But I'll try this on and see how it looks. What do you think? Okay, and the next item. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little sweater tank. And this is by the General Good. And this is the Janelle sweater tank in burgundy, size small petite. And this is $49. Ooh, $49. And yeah, let's see what this is made of, because that's kind of a big price. Oh, it's 100% acrylic. I don't know if that's good. Yeah? But it is really cute. So we'll try it on and see how it looks. Okay, and the last item is another pair of pants. Okay, so these are the pants that I had saved in my freestyle. These are by Just USA, and it's the Kiana wide leg jean, size 27/4, and they're in the color taupe, and these are $69. So yeah, these are pretty cute. I like the style, you know, with the patch pockets in the front. And they're like really wide leg though. I don't know if I want them this wide. These are really wide. But let's try them on, because you never know. That's one thing, you know, like I'm always so surprised. Like once I try things on, it's like, wow, these look really different than what I was anticipating. But we'll see. I think she thought these would look good together. So, Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitch Fix box this month. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay. Okay, so here is the first outfit. And yeah, so this is the Market and Spruce t-shirt. And I just have it tucked into the Democracy Athleisure pants. So yeah, let's kind of look at the t-shirt first. And I'm sorry the lighting isn't the greatest. It's in the afternoon. I try to film in the morning, but yeah, I just wasn't feeling up to it. But yeah, so this is just, it's a nice t-shirt. I'll be honest, I mean, it's 100% organic cotton, so it is seems pretty high quality. I'm not sure like if it's gonna shrink, you know, like if it does, if you wash it. But yeah, it's a nice t-shirt, but $39, to be honest, is, I think, a little high. Yeah, and I have it paired with these pants, and I don't know if this is a look I necessarily would have put together, but I mean, it's okay. These pants are actually pretty nice. I would say they're a little big, and they're a little long, so I wore some block heel sandals to give myself a little height. So I kind of look tall. But yeah, I mean, I kind of like these pants, but I don't know if they're the perfect fit. And I could size down to maybe a 2, but I'm not sure if those would fit. Those might actually be too small. I might actually be in between sizes for this particular pair of pants. I kind of wish they were a little shorter also, because I don't always want to have to wear heels, you know, to wear them. I rarely wear heels in real life. So yeah, I mean, I think this is cute. I mean, it's a nice outfit, I guess. Something different that I wouldn't have picked out. And let's add a little purse and see how that looks. Is it elevated? Maybe. An elevated t-shirt casual look. Yeah. Okay, bad. Okay, so here is the Bobeau top. And I just have it front tucked into a pair of jeans, and these are actually Madewell jeans, and these are pretty much my favorite jeans ever. And there's a cat right here. Okay. But yeah, actually this top is cuter than I thought. I don't know if I'm a fan of these sleeves though, because I just think that, you know, the elastic here is a little bit uncomfortable. I mean, it's okay, but it just, yeah, I don't know if it would bother me. But it's cute, and I like it with jeans. I think you could also wear it with white jeans. Yeah, but yeah, it's okay. I don't know. I like it, but we'll see. And this was actually $32.97, so I think that was probably marked down. And here it is with a purse. I think that looks kind of cute, yeah? Not bad. Okay, and here's the last outfit. Yeah, so I have the General Good sweater, and this is 100% acrylic. It is really pretty. I love the color. It's got kind of little pukas in here, so I do have just like a nude bra underneath, and I think that's okay. You'll see it has like these little side slits, so when I tried to do like a front tuck, it didn't quite work because I think of the slits, so I just left it out. And then I have the Just USA pants, and these actually are really nice pants. They fit okay. I would say they're just a little big and they're just a little long. I mean, this is not, I don't think it's a petite size. I'm pretty sure this looks like an inseam, maybe 27. But yeah, I really like these, except I think they're just a little too big and a little too long. But I like the general style. Actually, I did see a pair of Patch Pocket jeans that I really liked that are from J. Crew. Didn't buy them though, I wish I had. All right. Not sure. Okay, so I don't know. Overall, I think this was a pretty good fix. I do appreciate that my stylist tried to listen to what I said in the comments, you know, probably looked at my Pinterest board. And you know, I did ask for like an update, and also I just like kind of basic stuff now. I'm more into neutrals and that kind of stuff. So I do feel that this was in line with what I was requesting. What wasn't so great was the sizing, you know, like since I'm petite, I'm only 5'1", I feel like the pants were too long, to be honest. And even like this sweater, I thought that was really cute, but $49 for a 100% acrylic sweater seems a little bit much. And $39 for the t-shirt. I mean, I think that's pretty standard for Stitch Fix. And if I were doing a, say, a 5 for 5, then, you know, then it makes sense. So $39, but you get 25% off. Yeah. But anyway, okay, let's go over the invoice. So yeah, for the 5 items, the total was $277.97. And if I were to buy all 5, which I'm not going to, I can say right now, it would be $69.49 off, and the order subtotal would be $208.48. So, you know, that would be what, 5 divided by 200, what is that, $40 per item, I think. You know, that's not bad, I guess, considering there were 2 pairs of pants. But yeah, definitely not going to do 5 for 5. I was thinking that, you know, like 2 pairs of tan pants in the same fix would probably not be one that you could do a 5 for 5 anyway, even though they're different. Yeah, so a little bit disappointed with this fix, I would say. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to be keeping, if anything. I don't think I've ever sent everything back. Usually I keep at least one thing, but this might be a situation where I send it all back. I think part of the problem was because I didn't get to see the preview. Maybe I would have seen something in the preview that I would have liked more. Also, I could have gotten more items. Instead of 5, I could have gotten up to 8. But I'm going to think about it and we'll see. And I think what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and order another fix for next month, just because I might as well take advantage of the Style Pass while I still can. But yeah, so that's all I have for today's video. Sorry, not the best, but let me know what you guys thought of these items and if you've had any luck with Stitch Fix recently. And now I'm gonna call my very cute puppy dog Kaya by request. My younger daughter's boyfriend Tom, hi Tom if you're watching, has requested more Kaya at the end. So I'm gonna get her, okay? And she's right here. How convenient. Come Kaya. And here is Miss Kaya. And poor thing, oh sweetie, yeah, she was just taking a nap. But she has this weird looking wart on her nose. I know, I asked the veterinarian, what is that? And she said, oh, it's probably a wart. So it's probably, I think it's, as long as it's not bothering her, we'll just leave it. So In case you're wondering, if you're seeing Kaya and you notice that she has something stuck on her nose, it's that's what it is. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Bye.